Hello, friends. Have you ever made a decision and regretted it later? Have you ever hoped for more clarity when you're making one? In this video, I will give you some very simple tricks and techniques so that you can start to make better decisions right now. A very simple but powerful trick to immediately improve your decisions is to ask yourself a very simple question: why this and why not this? Although this might seem trivial, it's a powerful way to bring into awareness things that you didn't consider before, important things that you wished you knew before. For example, John is thinking whether to buy a new smartphone. As of why, he comes up with reasons such as latest trends, some respect in society, and some new features heavily featured in marketing and so on. Then he realizes he has to think why not. For that, it's the financial burden and the fact that his current one works enough for him. Looking at these, he eventually decides to live prudently and not get it for now that he wouldn't have otherwise. Another easy but effective technique is taking deep breaths. This calms you down and breaks the submergement into limited views and helps you to relax and look at things as they should be. Oftentimes, bad decisions happen not only because you weren't aware at all of the important things, but also because some things in them overpowered you and the rest were pushed into far periphery. Breaking that flow of mind is crucial, and as simple as taking a few deep breaths can do the job. Doing this would immediately improve your perspective and empower you to make better decisions. Now, a very simple meditation. This meditation is based on the philosophies of previous methods, but is more effective because not only it combines them but also acts upon a much deeper level. Doing it regularly also passively boosts your decision making skills too. To do it, you first get as comfortable as you can, and then imagine waves of relaxation going through you. When you are relaxed, imagine the thing that you are about to take a decision on. Then think of it as cube with the things that you know now on the face that you are looking at. Then tilt and go to a different face and feel that you are getting more information that you're doing before. Get that information. Repeat it as long as you feel that you understand both the good parts and the bad parts of it. Then take a step back and look at the entirety of it and take your decision. Now, you don't have to do this only with the decisions in present. You can also do this after you have taken them for the ones in past. And with enough practice, you can do this in seconds and vastly improve your perspective. So, you have learned why can someone make bad decisions and some simple but very powerful ways to help you make good ones. As a recap, think of why and why not, take a deep breath, and do a simple meditation for decisions. I hope that this helps you stay away from suffering. Good luck.